Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy King David, back with another video. And in this video, I'm doing another unboxing. This unboxing is pretty much for a customer who I'm getting ready to install this radio in. As you can see in the background, I already have my radio installed. The 12.1-inch Android does it all. This thing, I just have to say, this thing is amazing. But anyway, that's not why we're here today. I do have an installation video on that radio dropping soon. I'm in the process of editing, but it's taking me a longer time than usual, you know, due to the things that I have going on. But anyway, let's jump straight into this one here. I just received it today. This one I didn't get from the same seller. I didn't get this one from the same seller. I got this from eBay. If you guys are interested in this radio, let me know. Or I may just leave a link in the description. Who knows? But anyway, this one right here is for let me see. This one right here is for actually for a 2014 Chevy Cruz. I believe it works from 2011 all the way up to 2019. Don't quote me on that. But in the box, it comes with some panel poppers, which are pretty much useful for that actual radio in that car. I just installed over the weekend, last weekend, I installed 212s amplifier to the factory radio in a car similar to that one. I believe it was a 2015, but the radios in those cars are terrible. Not the actual radio, but taking the radio out is terrible. It's like 15 different things you have to take out to get to the actual radio. It's terrible. You know what I'm saying? I don't like it, but it is what it is. Anyway, this particular one also came with a backup camera. As you can see here, these are the instructions. This particular unit here came with a backup camera. It's going to come in handy. I'm also going to be installing that. I don't know if I'm going to do that at the same time, but we'll see. Just depends on how I'm feeling. Wires, of course. Definitely going to need these. It looks as if it's going to be cam. That says cam VIN. It has a GPS cable in here. And then audio out, auxiliary, package full of wires. And what else do we have? This is going to be a power cable. This is what's going to connect to the actual radio. Not sure what this blue box right here is yet, but I'll figure that out. And it looks like some sort of big old speaker. I don't know what that is either. These radios just keep coming with more and more different stuff. So, a lot of the stuff that's in the packages, I don't find out what they are until after I make the videos. But, these are just unboxing videos anyway to show you what's in the box. This right here is also, this is going to be the wire for the video in for the camera. That's what this is here. Let me see if you don't see the actual camera. Maybe I'm overlooking it, but I'm actually not seeing the camera. Yeah, there should be a camera in here, but I'm not seeing it. I may just be overlooking it, but I'm looking in these packages. Maybe this is it here. Yeah, the camera is right here. It's going to be surrounded in this foam here. This is the camera. It's a little cheap camera that they give you for making the purchase with them. radio open. Give me a second here, find my knife. This also came with the same kind of tape as let's see. This also came with the same kind of tape as my radio did. The tape is pretty hard to cut into or anything. I mean, it's pretty crazy. You guys gotta forgive me, man. Trying to bust into this thing. This is why I like to open up the packages before I actually even do the video, because I'm trying to operate with one hand here. So I know the video is probably gonna be shaky as hell, but you guys understand. This is gonna actually be the screen for the radio. I'm just trying to get the bubble wrap off. This one is a 10, I think it's a 10.4 inch. This is a 10.4 inch screen. So this one is actually a little bit smaller than mine, but it's still gonna look good in that car. It's gonna look a lot better than what's already in there. So definitely gonna look good. Anyway, that's that. That's the end of the video. You guys hit the like button. Dislike button, and subscribe to the channel. I'll definitely appreciate it. I'm gonna be doing more videos like this in the future, gaming and also installation and how-to videos. It's been your boy King David. Peace and love. I'm out.
I'm an icon, man. Damn, a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.